I ordered this attic insulation kit off of Amazon. It's a 3-step installation process. All you need is a staple gun. The first step, open the attic access, fit the attic cover into place as pictured. Ensure the slope zipper part is in the direction of entry to enable easier access when unzipped. Second, once fitted properly in place, staple the insulation cover to the wood frame of the attic entry every 4 to 5 inches, all the way around, leaving little to no leaks. Lastly, your attic access is now properly insulated, restricting airflow in and out of the attic. Leave zipper completely closed when attic is not in use. So we're going to go do that right now. So my attic access is in the hallway, and you can see that the door doesn't seal properly. It leaves a gap, so it's letting extremely hot air escape out of the attic in the summer and cold air in the winter. And then just about 2 feet away is my return air, so that's taking the worst temperature air and putting into the return air. So we're going to insulate this attic access to eliminate that. So there's our attic access. Unfolded the insulation. It's got a nice 2-zipper system. 2 zippers coming together. I've got them right in the middle of the access. So we're gonna put this up there, just like this right here, so we can unzip that to climb up. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, so we've put this in position up here, and I stapled this part first, where it's stapled 5 times at that end, and the rest of it is just laid in here. So now all I have to do is take my staple gun, just go around and staple it on. Directions say every 4 to 5 inches. So I'll put the link in the description, but this was, I think, somewhere in the $30-some range at the time I bought it, so less than 40 bucks. Have to put more staples in here. Alright, so we have more staples in the staple gun. Pick up where we left off. I'm going to go ahead and start here and end up back there, because I'll have about probably an inch extra of material. part out.
Okay.
Okay, so we're stapled all the way around. We don't have any significant gaps. The about an inch extra material I had, I kind of did a fold over right here, stapled it real good where I didn't have any leakage over it. So now when I want to get up here, after I pull the attic stairs down, I'll just have to get to right here, unzip these zippers back far enough for me to go up into the attic that way. And then when I come down, I'll just have to close it up. I don't get up here that often. It's way too hot in our attic to use it for any kind of storage. So, let's see how it looks when we shut the attic stairs. That will eliminate all the air coming out of there. So it still looks the same, still has the gap, but now it's not hurting anything. So that's it. I hope that helps somebody.